Rentable is a growth stage company that is profitable, and they are hiring for a customer success manager. And they're looking for someone that can build and nurture strong relationships across a book of customers to understand their goals and deepen usage of their platform, to develop deep multi-threaded relationships with decision makers of their customers, and to drive spend across their book of business by collaborating with sales and identifying areas of opportunity. And you'll be updating the CRM, customer communication strategies, which you'll be guided by, and you'll be collaborating with various teams. And they're looking for a minimum of 1 year of customer success management, but I would still apply even if you don't have that experience, because there are a lot of transferable skills that allow you to still qualify to be a competitive fit for this position. And they're looking for someone that's highly coachable, self-starter with a growth mindset. Uh, this is a 100% remote position, and there are full health and wellness benefits. So, stock options, competitive compensation, open vacation policy, medical, dental, and vision, as well as a 401k program.